Hi, Patrick Reed from the Adamas Principle. Lots of money market happenings going on around the turn. Ample liquidity to the tune of 320 billion around the 31st, slightly before that, actually, on the Friday before. Could this have hit the dollar? Who knows? But the dollar's recovering now. Let's look at the first chart, euro dollar. Look, 111.88. The bulls for euro dollar had that on the sights. It broke, took the stops out, but we couldn't stay above. That's the key thing. We just couldn't. And now it looks like we're failing. We're at 111.35. If that breaks, that will be an absolute perfect place to sell into any retracement. That's just our opinion. It's our death strategy. But 112.24 was the top of the trend channel. So we are on trend lower. We have tested the upper trend line on this channel. So let's just see what happens today. It is the beginning of the month, and you'll get a lot of flows. So just be careful. So the next slide, cable. Still doesn't really know what it wants. A lot of flows going, dollar-led flows going up and down. But for us, 127.75 is really the only place that we feel that buyers will really turn up. Obviously, Brexit upon us. When will the Europeans have a sit down? Who knows? And Aussie dollar. So this was just on a tear, along with its cousin, the Kiwi dollar. Iran getting, strikes in Iran, not helping. Really not helping this. But just be careful. Again, it's ease yourself into the first month. It's going to be a long year. Let's hope the narratives this year will not be short-lived. Something to get our teeth into, not like last year. And then Kiwi dollar, as I say, off the highs there, some retracements there. I always be wary about buying into any dips. That's just us from the Adamas Principle. But euro, dollar yen, our final chart. Again, this is interesting because 108.34 has been broken. It's a bit of a level. If you can see all the way up to 109.52, I think the high was 70s, 75s, and stops got taken out. This is a key level for us. It's the Fibonacci and some work done. It's the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the daily. And it's some, if we stay below, if we close below 108.34, we could really get some downside to potentially test 106.88. Now that is, there's some clear water all the way down to that kind of Fibonacci. It's a 23.6%. Quite a kind of unusual Fibonacci. I mean, 38 and 50 is pretty good for us at the Adamas Principle. But let's just see what happens. This could be obviously a fail break lower, and it was hit by some news overnight. But all eyes on the dollar, in the broad dollar weakness, and a bit of a bounce now. And I would just say, moving forward in the week, always start the month quite slow but sure. And let's just see what the next big narrative is. Money markets might come back. Macro might come back. Risk has been taken, to the forefront. But we do have an election. So all of this in the cauldron, which is what we call FX. And that's it for me, Patrick Reed, the Adamas Principle. And watch that risk, and please, good fortune with your trading, and please stay safe. Thank you.